Oh. Good morning. Welcome to a day in the life of a college student during COVID. So first things first, I have class. I have class at 8 a.m. It's 7:55. Best part about online school. So every morning, before we really do anything, we have this symptom tracker we have to fill out. As you can see, we do it every day, and it's super easy. Have you had close contact with anybody? Do you have any symptoms? No. Submit, and okay. And this green circle is your ticket into everything on campus. So I'm now in class, but she's helping an individual student, so. But this is my nursing research class. It's all online. All my lectures are online. So it's a 3-hour lecture, 8 to 11. I was scheduled for pool testing today, 8:40, so I am allowed to leave class and go do that. And then after that, in the end of the class, I have a presentation, a group presentation. So when I get back, I'll try and make myself look a little more presentable, and then we will do that. So yeah, I really want a cup of coffee, but pool testing. No drinking or eating 30 minutes prior.
I got a wrap.
We're going to get pool tested.
I'm serious, I'll buy it.
Back from pool testing, which means I can officially have coffee and breakfast. Perks of online presentations: you dress up the top half, you leave the bottom half. But in the first one with the patients, the study kind of concluded that a lot of overweight patients feel that a lot of doctors. So I think me and my housemates are going to order, go to the Union for lunch today, but you do have to order ahead, so I'm just going to quickly show you how we do that. I'm going to order for later today. I'm going to do 12:20 to 12:40. Fine food. They're only doing pickup right now. I'm going to get a salad. I'm going to get the Santa Fe salad. Check out. Easy peasy. Then I'll go pick up. So I actually got dressed. Some days I don't, but since I'm leaving, I guess I will. And we're all about to go to the Union to get lunch. My order, I just got the text, my order's ready. So we're gonna go do that, and then I have another class at 1:25. $7.74. We got our lunch. We're all sitting outside. Don't worry, we all live together though. So we just got back from the Union. Lunch was delicious as usual. A lot of people are leaving. 2 of my roommates are leaving this weekend. So that was kind of like our last little Union meal. We love the Union. But yeah, I have class in like 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna chill until then, probably do some homework, study a bit, and then have class. And then I have a study group to go to later tonight. Was like, oh, where all schools are going to be like that.
Their rates were really high. Like they went from 80 cases to like 100 something, a night. And so, yeah, they didn't really have much choice.
This is my study group. And first things first, food. We never study without food.
Never.
Okay, our masks are down because we're eating, but we all still have them. We got our food. KFC and Taco Bell. Double the orders because they gave us the wrong things.
Yeah. The cells are through. They quit responding. Now the risk factors for developing diabetes. Guys, in type 1, there are no.
So I am back from studying. We still were wearing masks and we were still all pretty much sitting within or further than 6 feet apart. We only have 1 week left and we really all want to protect the nest and stay for that full week, especially because we're all nursing students. So we really want our last week of clinical to be at the hospital. So we're just being safe. But a lot of study groups have also been meeting online. But yeah, either one works. There are still ways to study even in the middle of COVID. So that was really fun and always needed. And now I'm home. I'm going to go to Walmart with my roommates. And then I have a meeting at 7. And then I'll probably go right back to studying. So, yeah. So we just started the tennis meeting. This is my vice president. My president I met. Wave! They can't hear me. There she goes. That's the vice president, or I'm sorry, that's the president. I'm the vice president. We're just waiting for more people to join. Oh, there's another person. Our meetings are virtual right now, but club sports are still happening. We're just talking about COVID and playing Among Us and like games and stuff. So I took a break and I showered, and now I'm gonna have some dinner because I haven't eaten yet for dinner. Oh my god, I forgot we haven't changed our clocks yet for like daylight savings. So every time I walk in the kitchen, it's like, what? That's not the time. I'm gonna have some chicken salad that I made yesterday in a Cool Whip container. Chicken salad. And then I'm probably gonna go back to doing homework and studying. So I'm getting my bag and stuff ready for my lab tomorrow, which is in the morning. So my labs are all in person. So I just want to quickly touch on like what we do for in-person stuff since I didn't have anything in person today. So first of all, that green circle that I showed you this morning after symptom tracker, that I have to show that before I can enter the lab. I'm not allowed to participate in lab if I don't have that green circle. So that's really important to have that done before I go. The nursing program also gave us medical masks that we have to wear in labs. We were given one per lab. So we wear our own masks into the lab, and then once we get in there, we switch masks into the medical masks. And then before we leave, we take this one off and put a new mask on. That's just like to keep any germs that were in lab rather than taking them home and bringing them to all my roommates. We also, since in lab we can't maintain a 6 feet distance from everybody at all times, we were also given a face shield that we wear. So we wear the mask and the face shield. If we need a drink or anything, you can take the face shield off, get a drink, whatever. You just have to be far, or like 6 feet away. So it is now 11 p.m. and I've been studying all evening and doing homework all evening, all day really. So I'm pretty tired. So I'm just gonna finish up probably like an hour or so, and then I'm gonna head to bed. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching and coming along my day. I hope you enjoyed it. I was only able to show a few of the many precautions campus is taking and what's changed during COVID. So things like the dining hall, the library, the gym, all of that. Those are all obviously a little bit different, and I just wasn't able to show those today just because I unfortunately didn't utilize them. But there are those. If you have any questions at all, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle down here. You can also DM Brockport's Instagram or the Future Golden Eagles Instagram, which is an Instagram for prospective students. Brockport has done a great job. Both the students and all the faculty and everything have done a great job at protecting the nest and giving us the semester we were hoping for. Obviously, it's not the same as any other semester, but they did what they could and they were very accommodating, and they're trying their best and they're really doing a good job. Like, our numbers have been pretty good all semester, and there hasn't been parties, there hasn't been, outbreaks really. So it's been a good semester, and there's still things to do, and it's still a good time. And I'm just really thankful for Brockport during this time, because I know all of us we were really scared to come back, and it was going to be a horrible semester. We were going to be on lockdown and in prison, and it was going to be horrible, and that's not at all how it was. So it's really comforting to know that the school really genuinely cares and giving you the best semester under the circumstances. So yeah, that is all. Again, feel free to DM me or comment down below or anything if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks so much for watching.